Hello, my name is Sakshi Kankar and today I am going to explain about the topic pharmacovigilance global guidelines. Pharmacovigilance global guidelines are developed to ensure safety and efficacy of medicines and medical devices. These guidelines are issued by international and regional regulatory bodies and they focus on adverse drug reaction, its monitoring, reporting, and management throughout the product life cycle. Yeah, the global pharmacovigilance guidelines include the ICH guidelines, that are International Council for Harmonization Guidelines. The ICH guidelines standardize the requirements across the region to ensure the drug safety, and it had some key guidelines that includes ICH E2A guidelines, which are for clinical safety data management. It defines the and standardize the expedited reporting. Then ICH E2B guidelines, which are electronic transmission of individual case study reports. Then ICH E2C guidelines, which includes the periodic benefit and risk evolution reports. Then ICH E2D guidelines, which includes the post approval safety data management. Then ICH E2E guidelines, which includes the pharmacovigilance planning. Then there are further more guidelines, that is WHO guidelines, that are World Health Organization pharmacovigilance framework. The WHO promotes the global pharmacovigilance and operates the WHO program for international drug monitoring. And there are some key resources for WHO guidelines, that is WHO handbook on pharmacovigilance. It provides the global perspective of on ADR reporting and signal detection. Then further is uh, Uppsala Monitoring Center, which supports the ADR data collection and analysis and risk identification. And further are FDA guidelines, that is US Food and Drug Administration pharmacovigilance guidelines. The FDA enforces the pharmacovigilance practices in the US, and it has key regulations that includes the 21 CFR part 314.80, that are post marketing reporting of ADRs. And then FEARS, that is FDA adverse or event reporting system for electronic reporting of ADRs. Then risk evaluation and mitigation strategies, that are to ensure the drugs benefit and outweigh risk. Then further are European Medicine Agency guidelines, that are EMA guidelines. EMA oversees the pharmacovigilance in the European Union. The key guidelines includes the good pharmacovigilance practices, which includes a comprehensive set of modular guidelines covering all the aspects of pharmacovigilance, including the risk management, ADR reporting, and signal detection. Then further are Udra Vigilance, centralized database for ADR reporting in the European Union. Then there are CDSCO guidelines, that are Central Drugs Standard Control Organizations, which are India's pharmacovigilance program, operates under the SEDISCO. Then pharmacovigilance handbook, which guide provides the guidance for ADR reporting and management. Then Schedule Y, that is the Drug and Cosmetic Act, which describes the post marketing surveillance and ADR reporting. Then there is a metro vigilance program of India, which focuses on safety of medical devices. Then MHRA, that is Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, UK. It operates the yellow card scheme for ADR and medical device reporting, and enforces the compliance with GVP models within the UK. Then further are CIOMS, that is Council for International Organization of Medical Sciences. It includes the publications of international consensus documents and ADR reporting and management. Yeah, the key documents includes the SIOM's working group reports that are that are reports for ADR. Then there further are ISO standards, the ISO 13 485 quality management for medical devices. Then ISO HL7 and ICSR standards, which are guidelines for electronic case reporting in pharmacovigilance. These guidelines provide the framework for robust pharmacovigilance system to monitor and mitigate the risk association with medicinal products globally. Each region may uh, adapt these guidelines according the local requirements. Thank you.